अगर आप नॉर्थ इंडिया में कहीं या स्पेशली दिल्ली में रहते हैं, आपने इस छोटे से एयर प्योरीफायर का एड जरूर देखा होगा. इट्स एवरीवेयर. बट डज दिस रियली वर्क? लेट्स लुक एट द साइंस. Let's look at what research and what doctors have to say about it.
Many such products exist, mostly foreign made, and one made in India option is Atovio Pebble. So we reached out to them.
First up, how does this really work? Technology क्या है? Now, ये एक negatively charged ion release करता है जो अपने आप को ये claim करते हैं pollution particle से attach कर लेता है, उन्हें heavy बनाता है and pushes it out of your breathing zone. This in no way is filtering the air. It's simply trying to push the particles away from your breathing zone. अब इसके रिसर्च पर हमने कंपनी से बात करी, उन्होंने हमारे साथ 3 रिसर्च पेपर शेयर करे हैं. IIT कानपुर ने इसे टेस्ट भी करा है. But out of the 3, 2 tests were done indoors. And unless you are an astronaut, you're not wearing this indoors. You will not be able to test it indoors. This is an outdoor product. In that outdoor study, they found roughly 40% reduction in pollution only. What about doctors then? Well, Dr. Anurag Agarwal, who is the Dean of Biosciences and Health Research at Ashoka University, he says that this device works better for larger particles like incense smoke, but the evidence is much weaker for typical urban pollution. He also says that for fine particulate matter, a proper N95 mask would clearly be better. We also spoke to a pulmonologist, Dr. Vivek Nangia, Max Hospital in Delhi. He said that most tests for this device were done in controlled environments and that the most toxic particles are smaller than 0.1 microns, which might not be affected by this. So what's the bottom line? Well, this in no way is a replacement for your N95 or N99 mask. This is also not a replacement for your air purifiers with HEPA filter. What this does at best is that gives you an extra layer of protection when you're walking around in an already purified air. So buy it only for that benefit, if at all. Also remember, when it comes to your body, trust science and doctors, not just Instagram ads.